loaded here. So this is the landing page, and I will go ahead and enter a username. And this can be used to load the game if it gets lost for me. So I'll put in a random username. All right, so now we're in the main menu where you can see there's the new game. I can start a new game, I can join a game, and I can also look at how to play the game. So I will start a new game, and then I will copy this game ID, and I am going to now send this over to my teammates, and Guambo will show joining the game.
Hi, this is Guambo. I'll be the second user to join the game. I'll give a random username, and then I'll join the game. So Rena just sent out the game ID through our Teams chat. So I just copied the game ID and then paste here and join the game. So you can see I'm here in the game board. I'm the second user. Now I'll hand the screen sharing to Rihanna back.
So I will go ahead and start sharing again, and Pablo will also join the game. And there you
Here I
can see
am.
everyone's joined. When we can send each other messages. You can see that Pablo sent a message and I sent one back, and there you go, there's Wombo. So I will go ahead and start the game. In here you can see the initial game board. This game board, Victoria, our teammate Victoria put together the design so it follows our pet theme. And you can see that we were all randomly put on one of the hallways. And you can see I was given the character of Mrs. White and all the randomly chosen cards that I got. So you can see that these are the two moves I can make right now. I can either go to the beach or I can go to the hotel. So I will pick one. I will go to the beach. And now I can either make a suggestion or I can accuse. So I will go ahead and suggest. And here are the list of weapons, the room that I'm in, and then the suspects. And as you can see that these are all the choices that are not in my current cards that I can suggest. So I will go ahead and suggest a vacuum, the beach, and then I will choose Mrs. Peacock. And I will go ahead and suggest. So now it will be Guambo's turn to go. Also to show that since I chose Mrs. Peacock and that's one of our players, that player got moved to the beach as well. So now Guambo can go ahead and show what he has for now that he has to disprove.
Yeah, so after Rihanna makes suggestions, these are my screen, and looks like you can see these are the three suggested card, and I have vacuum, so I have to disprove this. So I just select vacuum and then disprove. Then I'm waiting for Rihanna to accept the disapproval.
Yeah, so I will show you
Yep.
what I see now. And this is only I can see this, no other user can see it, but now I can see what card that Guambo disproved, and I can go ahead and accept that. So now it is Guambo's turn to go.
Okay, let me share my screen again. So this is my turn. You can see I have a bunch of options. If I choose to go to the hallway, I have the option of enter or accuse. I don't want to accuse in this round, so I just enter, and then the game hand to Pablo.
right. So I'll go ahead over here and I will demonstrate what a bad accusation looks like. So I'm over here, I'm at the mall, I'm feeling pretty confident. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to make an accusation, and I think it's going to be the ball, the hotel, and Miss Scarlett. I make an accusation, and I'm not shown a winner screen, so I know that I made a wrong accusation, and I'm no longer able to participate in the game besides disproving suggestions. So when it comes back to me, I will not be able to move, suggest, or make any more accusations. So if you want to go ahead and go to Rihanna, see what she's seeing.
So now it is my turn, and I want to show that if I lose my game, if I accidentally close out, which I will do, I can come back into the main screen and I can enter my username. And you can see I am now back in the game and have the...
Yeah, we actually, we lost you there. Your screen share went away.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fine. If you just want to share your screen again and demonstrate that.
So I will go ahead and show that if I exit out of my tab by accident or something, which I'll do, I can come back to the game. So I'll exit out and I will...
I think what's going on is that you're sharing like the Google Chrome tab.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let's do this again.
It's fine. And while Rihanna's pulling that up, I'll just talk about the database thing. It's implemented using MongoDB, and Rihanna put that together. So, yeah, basically, if she goes out of the game, she's able to get back into it. I think I should see if there's anything else we need to hit on while we wait for Rihanna to get that up and running. Oh, here we go.
So I'm sharing my screen. You can see that I've lost my game, but if I enter my username that I used, I can continue in, and you can see that my state of the game has come back, so I can continue playing. So what do we want to show next?
I think we can go ahead and show a good accusation. So if you want to go ahead, I magically know what's inside of the case file cards. So if you want to open up an accusation.
Okay, but did we want to show that since you're out of the game, you can't?
Right. Yes, we do want to show that. So.
Okay, so I will go into a hallway, and I'll end my turn. And Guambo will go ahead and make a suggestion so he can show that Pablo can still disprove but cannot make his turn.
I just made a suggestion. Pablo, what do you see in your screen?
Let's go check it out. So on my screen, I can see that I can disprove over here. I can see it's a beach, so I'll disprove it. Guambo will go ahead and accept it. And then, oh, I couldn't move. So I'm still eliminated from the game. So Rihanna, if you want to take the screen share.
So it's back to my turn. I can either go into one of these rooms, but I will go ahead and make an accusation. And I will choose...
You got it, or you need some...
I got it. I will choose a rope, the hotel, and Mr. Green. And I will accuse. Oh, and it looks like I'm all right.
That's amazing.
So now the game has ended, and everyone should be seeing this screen.
Yep, I'm seeing it on my end. So,
yep, I'm seeing this too.
Is there anything else we wanted to mention before we wrap things up? If not, this has been the target increment demonstration for Team Pet Detectives. I hope you guys enjoyed, and Thank you for watching.